This is a 4-feet puzzle and it has absolutely mind-blowing solution, which I will show you in a minute. This puzzle was designed by Stewart Coffin and made by Greg Puzzles. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside this part of the frame, including this piece that is on the side. But as you can see, you can easily put 1, 2, 3 parts inside the frame. But then there is not enough space for one more piece. Doesn't matter how you try. And you will spend probably a lot of time trying to figure out the way how to fit parts inside until you will notice some details and maybe figure out the way how to solve it. If you like the 4-feet puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I'll show you how to solve the puzzle. So first thing you notice when you start solving the puzzle is that you can easily fit 3 parts inside, but there is not enough space for the last one. And you think that maybe you can squeeze this part right in here, but you will notice that the size of one voxel in a part is smaller than the space left within the frame. That means that the frame has a very odd size and the parts won't fit in a normal way, like horizontal or vertical. That means that you have to do something crazy here. Maybe even flip the parts in a way you don't even expect that, like something like that, for example. Let's see. They fit nicely like that. Then you grab another piece. It fits like that. It seems like we have just a little bit of space left, maybe not enough for this part and not enough when you put it like that. But if you flip this piece like that, it fits absolutely nicely inside the frame. And that is the solution of the 4-feet puzzle. Quite a crazy idea for the puzzle, as you can see. Not a difficult puzzle in perspective of moves. There are only 4 parts. You have to fit them in a small area, but it is absolutely fantastic solution that not a lot of people will think about when solving the puzzle. And then it is a great puzzle to share with friends and see their face when they're trying to fit the parts inside the frame and they see that it looks totally impossible, and then you show them the correct solution and they all will be just amazed how simple the puzzle was, but actually not simple to find the correct solution. If you like the 4-feet puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.